Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I got up early this morning and baked the cakes for my daughter's baby shower tomorrow. So, let me show you. Okay, these are French vanilla cakes. Let me show you the cake board I made. I cut this from the Priority Mail box and just put two together and just put some foil on it. Because buying cake boards are expensive. I didn't have any. And then I baked red velvet cake and what is this? German chocolate. So, and if I let them stay in the pan too long, that spray that I sprayed on the pan, will hold the cakes and make the cakes stick like glue. So, to remedy that, I'll just put the cake pan on the stove and turn the fire on for a couple seconds to release the spray I put on there. Just for a couple seconds. And then you can take the cake out. Okay, I'll be back a little later after I have frosted and decorated the 9x13 cake. And I'm just putting icing on the other two cakes. They're all going to have 2 layers. Okay, I'll be back. I thought maybe y'all want to see me take a cake out the pan. And this is what I test them with. Just a skewer. It came with one of my air fryers. But usually when they shrink from the pan like this, that means they're done. You see them shrink? It's done. Okay, which one looked the best? Okay. Here's the cake board I bought. I'm just gonna make sure it's loose. I want to put both the tops together, and I have a nice flat edge. Or I could just do it like this and then put both the bottoms together. So, your preference. Okay, I'm going to put some icing on this cake, and I already put my German chocolate one. I better do one at a time because I put the wrong icing on the wrong cake. So I will be back. Okay, here's my German chocolate cake, and I always put chocolate on in the center and on the sides. Let me show you how the sides look. Here's my red velvet cake with cream cheese icing and a few red velvet crumbs on the top. Here's my quarter sheet cake. It says, "Welcome, London Lidora," with the little rubber ducky. Okay, I'm about sick of looking at all these cakes now. And here's the diaper cake that I made 2 weeks ago. Let me show y'all the rest of this stuff I got. Here's the baby shower game gifts. And here are the centerpiece mugs. That's what they look like. So they'll be sitting on each table. And these are ink pens. These flowers are ink pens. So we're going to use those ink pens to play the games with. Okay. So the baby shower is tomorrow. And I'm tired. I got up early and did the cakes. So I want to thank you all for watching, even though I didn't show me baking them and decorating them. I'm tired. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you all have a very blessed day. Bye.